York County's bigger employers is giving its workers a choice, all in the name of health.
That's right. They can either get a flu shot or face getting fired.
CBS 21's Christina Butler is live in York with more for us. Christina?
Yeah, hi, Rob and Tanya. This is a program through WellSpan Health, which operates York Hospital. It will impact about 11,000 employees and volunteers. Company leaders say most of those people are perfectly fine with this new program. They call it an industry standard.
Want to work in our organization, this is one of the requirements.
After 3 years of research and discussion, WellSpan Senior Vice President of Human Resources Officer Bob Butler says flu shots are now mandatory for all WellSpan employees.
We believe that it would just be a tragic level of irresponsibility on our part if we gave the flu to an individual who came to us for care.
Previously, the vaccines were just encouraged. In 3 years, WellSpan saw the voluntary rate increase from 60% of employees to 79%. But Butler says industry standard is 90%, so it had to become a requirement. Patients and visitors we talked to at York Hospital have differing opinions on making it mandatory.
They're going to be exposed to it a lot more often than a normal person, so I feel as though they should be getting it regularly.
I don't think it's right because it's up to them. So it's their decision if they want it or not.
Julio MEDINA says the shot makes him ill.
Personally, I don't take a flu shot. I haven't done it in years.
But if it was required, he'd vaccinate himself.
It's always important to follow rules. My job is more important because it's not as hard to get a job out here right now.
Everyone in the WellSpan family, from surgeons and people in the emergency room to security and volunteers, will be required to get the shot. And if they don't get one by November 1st, they'll face a 1-week suspension followed by termination. Butler says that means they will lose some employees, but they hope to gain an extra level of safety for patients.
Risk of not getting vaccinated and putting our patients and co-workers at risk is far greater than the risk that we're taking in terms of a number, some people who might decide to exit the organization.
And about 100 forms have been filled out from employees or volunteers for an exception based on either medical or religious issues. There are 2 committees in place to review those requests. Live in York, Christina Butler, CBS 21 News.